Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fabric softener at home. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you click on the subscription button so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Fabric softener is designed to make your clothes and fabric soft and fluffy. It can be added to your rinsing water during laundry. In this video, I'm going to take you to the process of how to make fabric softener at home. And let me say here that this is our third method. I have dropped a link of the first and second method in the description box below this video. Now in this third method, we will be using the following: 1. Epsom salt, 2. Baking soda, and 3. Essential oils. Before we go into the mixing process proper, let's establish the quantity of materials we will require to make about 200 grams of fabric softener. Epsom salt 125 gram, baking soda 75 gram, essential oil 5 ml. Here we'll be using two kinds of essential oil, that is blue water and lemon, and each of them we will measure 2.5 ml. Now these are the materials. This is Epsom salt. The chemical name for Epsom salt is magnesium sulphate, and this is baking soda. These are the essential oils, blue water and lemon. Now mix the Epsom salt and baking soda together and add the essential oil to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your fabric softener is ready. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons to your rinsing water. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.